This cat house is not just comfy because it has different surfaces. This is very plush, really comfy for them. This is very cozy with also very cozy enclosure in there. They get to, it even has this swing here. It's sort of like a hammock. It's really, really sweet. They get to spend a lot of time, but also they get to play with their clothes here because this surface is really, really rough, and it's also a sensory experience for them because it has different things to play with, you see? So it's not just for them to hang out, but for them to play around. This little thing. This is what my son uses to play with him. Really nice. So this is, with this surface down here, they get to scratch themselves too. So it's very versatile. Super, super, super recommended.